channel and Sandcastle Tip of the Day. Today, we're going to carve the balustrade railing on the top of this tower. And it's going to be fun. It's a lot of detail. Stay tuned and see how we do this on Sandcastle Tip of the Day. Here are some of the tools we're going to use to build this sand sculpture as part of our Tip of the Day series. So I'm covering them really quite quickly for you. Levels to make sure this thing is vertical. Larger hand trowels for block out. Palette knives for smaller details, windows. Melon ball or even for the crenellations. A brush or two to finish, and a straw. And this will be the majority of the tools we'll need to create this sandcastle. We're going to carve this balcony with the crenellation underneath it as part of this Tip of the Day. And we've got it all blocked out and it's somewhat level. We'll finish that off and then we will lay it out and carve these balconies and crenellations. I'm using one of my handmade tools to get into tighter places and clean out behind these crenellations or railing for the balcony. And these custom-made tools are very come in very handy. I'd say this is turning out pretty cool. I'm going to keep it up and see where it takes us. Well, it looks like this railing's looking really pretty nice. If you enjoyed this video, remember to smash the like button and subscribe so you will get notification on when we post our next Sandcastle Tip of the Day. See you soon. Bye.